Jimmy. Jimmy. Dude, what is going on? Discord does suck, bro. What the heck is going on? Alright, well, let's post this here. Freaking Discord, y'all. Freaking Discord. Alright, let me pull up the mock. Pull up the mock. Let me move this over so you guys can see it. There we go. All right. What's up, Dragon Slayer? What's up, J? What is this? JQ Marchandidis. That's quite the name there, pal. What a name. What a name. All right, guys, we got mock in 2 minutes. We'll see if we can get a trade here. Pull up my accounts. MNQ. MNQ. Okay. Jal is fine. I got you. I got you. Or Jay. Sorry, Jay. I can't read the comments. All right, y'all. We got a minute and a half until mock. We'll see if we can get a trade here at the close of the day. If not, we've just been really chopping around. This thing is messy. Messy. We're right at the 656 level. Ideally, though, I was looking for the 655 on SPY. We almost got there. Where's Jimmy? I don't know. I tried to call him on Discord. Discord's not working. We tried to get on the live stream. Nothing's working at all. It says awaiting endpoint, so it's like completely down. Jimmy's on YouTube right now, so. Started sitting Moc out. Yeah, I mean, I don't blame you. 30 more seconds. See how we react here. All right, we have a buy side Moc 170, well, almost 300 now on S&P and $1 billion on Nasdaq. Let's try a little small one here. If we pull back here. We have buy side $1 billion on Nasdaq and 250 on S&P. See if we can come up and tap this up here in the 80s. Oh, this thing is ripping. This thing is ripping. Mag 7 is 561. Ideally, what I'm looking for is the 80s. 80s to 90 at the high there. We're almost there already. Goodness, I think I might have missed that one. Okay, getting a small little pullback here. Okay, so I just got filled on 2 micros here. Looking for a retracement back up into the 80s. We almost just hit it there, so we could just retrace back into the zone. So I'll have my stop loss just below this candle. Sell stop here, sell stop here. Okay. And then I want to see a retracement, a big candle back up into the 80s. Still buy side 400 million on S&P and almost $1 billion on Nasdaq. You guys like that entry? Ooh wee. We love that entry. We love that entry. Oh, I spoke too soon. Right back down. Was that Benny? This is where everyone went. Yeah. We're just vibing in here now. This crap is delayed like 3 seconds. I think it is on YouTube, yeah. Alright, so ideally here I want this to come back to above this candle here. So I'll set a trim at there at 77.50. And then the last one will be up here at like 90. That's what I'm looking for. Pretty good bounce here so far. We're up just over 10 points. Still buy side across the board. 300 on S&P and 969 on Nasdaq. Mag 7's completely buy side. Please no butt cheeks. You guys can't post gifts in here. Very nice push up, y'all. Very, very, very nice. Almost our first TP here. I'm going to start trailing these. There's first TP, so we're going to take one of these off. First TP, and I'm going to trail this up to plus 10 points. Very nice. Not bad, man. Not a bad mock. Bottom take that. Oh, and I just got trailed out of that last one. So how much did we make on that? We made 20 points plus 10. So what is that? It's like, that's nothing crazy. That's like $50. If that. What is that? 20? Just over $50. $60, I think. That's not bad though. In 2 minutes. And now it's going to go. Dang. Just barely took me out. So last TP would be at this 89 level. Here we go. We're almost there. And there it is. Dang, bro. That one worked. Wait, do you do TikTok or here now? Benny, I do on TikTok, but just today since Discord's down. Since Discord's down, I'm doing it on YouTube. Good trade there, y'all. Very good. S&P just flipped to sell side, and Nasdaq's still buy side though. So tired of this market. Yeah, look at this wick back down, bro. I mean, it just barely ticked the high there, so I mean, it was good little trade there. We got in at 55, 56, and it went all the way up to 90, so it's about 40 points there. Came all the way back down. Quick money there, y'all. I don't think we saw a little bit of drawdown there, but nothing crazy. Like a couple points, looks like. So we got in at 56.75, and the lowest it ever got was 55. So really good. 1 point of drawdown. You cannot complain about that. Random question, but do you have one monitor stand for all your monitors? I have one. So the one I'm using right now is here. I can even show you. You guys want to see it real quick? Hold on. It's hooked up to my cable, so I have to be careful. Check this out. Okay, so here's the setup right now. It's connected to one arm. See that? These three. And then I have one over here for Discord that's just connected to one other arm over there. And then the ones behind me, they're 3 separate ones. I have 3 separate arms on that one. But the one that I'm using right now is just 2. One for 3 monitors, and then I have a single. All right, y'all. That was a good trade, man. That was the only win I've freaking taken. Other than Monday New York session, that was the only trade that I've won this week. Other than Monday. Oh, shoot. I'm trying to find a stand that I can fit 3 monitors on horizontally. Yeah, D-Lock or DT. DT-Lock, get these, bro. This is really good right here. It's called a, what is it called? Vivo? Called Vivo, I think is what it's called. Vivo, and then I have the wide monitors. So I have 34-inch screens right here. So I have the wide arms, and then I bought an extra arm for the one on top. It doesn't come with 3, so yeah, I had to buy a separate one. But on this single one, it's a huge pull, so I was able to put the second arm on it. Here, I'll show you how it works. So this it has a long pole that like hooks up to the back of the desk. See, it's pretty long. And then I've got the dual arms, which is the arms on the bottom, which you see, and then I have one singular arm which holding this this top screen here. It's pretty nice, pretty nifty. Yo, that was like perfect TPs there, y'all. TP there and then TP at the high. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, y'all. Market's closed, so I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna be live on TikTok at 7:30 Eastern. Okay. So at 7:30, I'll be live on TikTok, not on YouTube. We just did YouTube today because Discord was bugging out. So pretty good little trade there. A couple minute trade, 30 points. I'm not gonna complain about that at all. So I will see you.